Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we will understand what is Azure Data Factory, how Azure Data Factory works, what is the use case, and also we will understand about the ETL activity. So let us start with Azure Data Factory definition. So Azure Data Factory, it is a cloud-based ETL and data integration service provided by a Microsoft Azure. So whenever you have to perform any ETL activity in Azure space, you can use Azure Data Factory. With the help of the Azure Data Factory, you can perform any ETL activity. Now first understand what is ETL means. So ETL is nothing but a extract, transform and load. Let's take an example. Let's understand why we perform a ETL activity and what is ETL activity means. And then we'll come to the Azure Data Factory definition part. Let me give you one example. So generally whenever you will work in any organization, you will see you have a data that is available in a multiple space, and that is a very common scenario. You will not find like all your data is available in a single storage. You will generally see you will be having a data that is available in a multiple space. Now let me give you one scenario. Suppose I have a data that is available in a SQL server. I have a data that is also available in a PostgreSQL. I have a data, all the device data is available in Azure Cloud, and I have a market related data is an SFTP server. Now in this case you can see I have a data that is available in a multiple space. Now what business wants? Business want to build one Tableau report or one Power BI report. In this Power BI report they wanted to have all the metrics, like they wanted to know all the user activity, subscription activity, device activity. In this case I need a data which is available in a multiple space, but to connect each server one by one, that is a very tedious task. To unify the data, what actually we do, we try to perform a ETL activity. So as part of the ETL, what actually we do, first we try to extract the data. So E means extract the data. So what we'll do, whatever the data is available in multiple space, right? SQL server, PostgreSQL, Azure Cloud and SFTP server, we'll try to connect with this all the server, and we'll try to extract the data. So that means the extract. The second is the T means transformation. So as part of the transformation, what actually we do, we try to clean the data. So suppose all the data is not important, only the specific column is important for you. So what you will do, you will try to filter that data, you will try to handle the null value, you will try to clean the data. So all the kind of the step you will do in a transformation layer. And the third is L. L means load the data. Finally you will try to load into the common storage, common space. So that is the load the data. So what we have done, we have extracted the data which was available in a multiple sources, we have transformed that, and finally we have loaded into a final location, that is our target location. Now in this unified data we will be having a information of all the account, subscription device, market related data, and that we can use it for our reporting perspective. So that is the important, and that kind of the scenario generally you will see in an organization also. So whenever you have a data that is available in multiple space, and whenever you want to unify that, then generally you will go for the ETL activity, and that also we call it as a data integration service. Okay, so whenever you have to perform any ETL service or data integration service in Azure space, you will go for the Azure Data Factory. Let's come to the definition part. Azure Data Factory, it is a cloud-based ETL and data integration service provided by a Microsoft Azure. It enables you to create, schedule and manage data pipelines that move and transfer data from various source to destination. So it is nothing but it is a ETL activity. So we will try to move, we will try to transform the data from various sources to the destination, right? So that actually only it is saying. So whenever you have to perform ETL activity in Azure space, you will go for the Azure Data Factory. Let's discuss few use cases. So data migration, this is one of the important use case. We use Azure Data Factory for the data migration activity. So generally you will see you have a data that is available in on-prem server. So what actually we'll do, we want to migrate into the Azure space. So as part of the data migration, what we'll do, we'll try to create a pipeline. We'll try to move a data which is available in on-prem to the cloud space. So data migration is the common use case of the Azure Data Factory. Second, getting a data from a client server. or online data to a Azure data storage. So suppose you had to build any report, but your data is available in a client server. So from client server, first you will try to get your data into Azure data lake storage, and based on that you will try to build a report. So this kind of the scenario generally comes. In that kind of the case, we use Azure Data Factory. And the third one is carrying out various data integration process. Data integration process is nothing but a unifying a data. So unifying a data which is available in a multiple sources. So I hope you got what is Azure Data Factory. So whenever you have to perform any ETL activity in a cloud space, you will go for the Azure Data Factory.